doesn't that have its own negative ramifications too? Like the amount of land we would need to have to grow the amount of produce required to have everybody being vegan. Isn't
Mo-
that also like crazy?
Ideally, the vegan diet is the most sustainable for the planet. But let me tell you, we need a plan before we act in that radical way. Let's first get all the information we need, then act in consequence, reduce, but we
I'm the same.
also
Yeah.
having being aware of all these people, etc. Like only in Spain, like 200,000 people live from this. Friends as well, but they understand that I'm reducing my meat consumption because A, it's good for my health, because, like if you eat more red meat than you need, it has been linked with cardiovascular diseases, colorectal cancer probability, etc. But I haven't heard of any fresh vegetable that causes the same. So it's good for your health, good for the health of the planet.